In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find your verification code in your survivor.io account, considering that you have finished creating the account, but this is not binded or connected to your hobby.id account. First, you need to head into this three-lined icon here, or the hamburger icon, and then click the settings. Here you will see the general and the account tab. I want you to click this account tab and then click this unrelated word. Now it will redirect us to the hobby page. Click the bind button and then enter the email address that you want to use for the binding of your account. Just select an email and then click the continue button. And here it will send us a verification code. So head to your Gmail application and then type in the verification code that you have received. As you can see, this is the verification code, or this is where you can find the verification code. So just type that in. We have finished binding our account, and that's where you can find the verification code in your survivor.io application. And thank you for listening.